Running out of battery must be the most annoying thing ever. You want to make that one call or send that one message, but your phone just dies. And I know that carrying those big, bulky power banks isn't always possible, especially if you're not with a big backpack, it can be a big trouble. But now, hear me out. What if I told you that there is a power bank small enough to fit in your pocket, but worthy enough of charging all your devices? Well, without further ado, let me introduce you to the one gadget I never leave behind, the Statik Snap-N-Charge. This little guy comes in with an astounding 3,000 milliamp hours of battery life. These are more than enough to top up all your essentials. To put it into perspective, you can charge your iPhone 1 time, your Apple Watch 9 times, and your AirPods up to 20 times. And those numbers are absolutely insane for a power bank this size. My favorite feature of the Snap-N-Charge is that you don't need any cables to make it work. It has a magnetic connector, which works by attaching it onto the magnetic tips that come with it. Inside the package, you'll find 3 of them. One Lightning, one USB-C, and a micro USB tip, making sure that all your devices are compatible. Not having cables also means that you can use your phone while it's charging. Now you can enjoy all your games without worrying about battery life. Snap-N-Charge is so small that it can easily fit in your pocket, handbag, or tech organizer, and you won't even notice that it's there. Coming in at just 60 grams, it's just as lightweight as your AirPods. This also makes sure that it will stay on its place with no issues whatsoever. Last but certainly not least, the Snap-N-Charge comes with a 1-year warranty to make sure that you have your peace of mind. Thanks for staying with me until the end of this video. If you'd like to learn more about Statik Snap-N-Charge, make sure to visit statikco.com. And until next time, see ya!